How to fix Temu affiliate program not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Temu affiliate program not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. All you have to do is on the search bar, search for Temu. Now, you want to tap on the install button for this application. If you do not want to use the app, you can open up any web browser and head over to temu.com as well. Now, once you have opened the app or website, you want to log into your account. Once you have been logged in and if you are facing problem with the Temu affiliate program, then what you want to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, from here, you want to tap on these headphones icon. Once you tap on this, it will bring you to the Temu support page. Now here, you want to tap on the Contact Us option. Once you do, you will be directed to Temu's customer service. Now, you want to tap on this box over here. Now, type that you're facing problem with Temu affiliate program and send this message. Now, you will get appropriate guidelines over here as to how you can resolve this problem. If your problem is not solved, you can also request for a live agent. For that, type agent and send this message. Now, tap on chat with our agent option. Then you want to select a topic from here. After that, as you can see, a human customer agent has been provided to you. Now you can type in your problem and query with them and they will help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.